Every day we face life in different ways. Sometimes you overthink things, sometimes you feel down inside. For those days, you need relaxing massage that can help to reduce all these stresses. A very easy and simple home facial can be a very effective way to achieve this. So, if you want to know how to do that, let's continue watching. First step is cleansing. Here I am using my favorite daily cleanser, which is cosrx pH balance cleanser. The product is kind of like gel texture. And the amazing part of this cleanser, it will maintain pH balance of your skin. Now moving into the second step, here I am using Pixi Peel Polish Exfoliator. You can use your regular exfoliating product if you want. What it will does, it will lifting away your dead skin cells to reveal smooth and healthy looking skin. Steam will open up your pores and will help to lose any dirt from your skin before applying your mask. If I knew. In step 4, apply your mask. Here I am using two different masks for two different purposes. First, I am applying T-zone mask for pore purifier. A peel-off mask will draw out blackheads and whiteheads from your pore. Touch the sky, feel the sun. For rest of the face, I am applying mud mask. This pixi mud mask will not only detoxify your skin but also will give you a healthy looking glow. Now in step 5, apply your favorite sheet mask to give your skin a deep hydration and relaxing effect after a good facial process. Step 6 is not mandatory, but it will affect you to rehydrate your under eye area. It will also depuff your skin and helps to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. This eye patches is a quick treatment for lift up your stress and tired face. For your hand, hush your lips. In my upcoming tutorial, I'm going to upload a classic Christmas look which you don't wanna miss, and join my Instagram for more regular skincare tips and tricks and regular content. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next tutorial. Bye beautiful.